Okay, last chance to use the restroom. Okay, 1,000 feet elevation, 1.2 miles ascent. Wear proper footwear, bring plenty of water, use restroom before starting, throw litters away, stay on. Okay. Let's see if it's worth it. The water's so dirty, huh? Look, they build the highway. They built the highway through the $12 per person, right? Yes. And have to pay in advance. Reserve in advance. Are we really going to that?
I really think we're going up there.
No dogs allowed. They recommend closed-toe shoes, complete-toe shoes. So, bridge number 1, what time is it?
3:11.
So it took us 10 minutes. 2:15?
Yes.
Woo! 17 minutes for us to get a quarter mile.
Yep.
I wonder if that black is from the wood that burned. Remember they had fire?
Yep.
Yeah. It's definitely 2:32. Bridge number 3. Number 3. Huh? Half mile. Huh?
Can you sit down?
Sure. We're at the 4th bridge.
2:38.
2:38. Granola break? Yeah. We're the only one taking granola break. Hold on. Bridge number 5. Yay.
2:47.
2:47. 2 more bridges to go. Woot. Which one?
This one right now. You don't feel it?
Oh my gosh. It is.
Burn.
Woo!
All the other ones is okay.
That doesn't look bad on video.
It's the burn.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Kicking in. 49. How do you know? Woo!
Another half mile.
Oh my. Okay, bridge number 6 time.
2:53.
2:53. Woo! One more bridge to go. One more bridge to go. Oh, is this snow? A little bit of snow's left.
Yeah.
That's cool. Number 7, what time?
3:06.
3:06. 0.2 more miles to go. Yes.
Oh, made it here.
Ooh. 3:16.
It's only right up there.
We gotta go under there.
Shortcut. Oh.
Good chat. Spouting Rock 2000. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Eee.
This tree was safe. I don't know when the fire happened. How many years ago?
It was 2020.
2020?
Yeah.
Okay, so 4 years ago. Maybe they had the fire water that came and saved this in time. But like all those are dead.
Yeah.